back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber. I hope you guys all had a very relaxing New Year's Eve and are having a happy new year. Welcome to 2021. Today I'm going to show you guys a short video on how I make my organic nursing pads. So if you are one like me and save all of your scrap fabric, this is the perfect project for you. So follow along, and if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment below so I can keep putting out more content for you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my video. So right here, the Cricut Maker is cutting out my circles for me, and they are 4-inch circles that you can cut with the Cricut Maker. And I just repeat the steps as many times as I need to for as many different fabric choices that I have. So right here I'm showing you guys a template that I've made. It's just a 4-inch circle, and this is my pool waterproof fabric that I use for the inside liner of my nursing pads. It is waterproof, so it will not leak, and I actually hand cut these because I want them to be slightly smaller than the outside and front layer. If you guys do not own one of these cutting mats, I highly suggest it. They are super easy for small projects like this so that you do not have to move your body around all different directions. It turns as you go. You will see in the upcoming clip. And right here you're going to see me cutting another piece of fabric. This is the fleece that I use on the underside of the pad. This is just to give you some comfort as you're wearing them. It's very soft. Now, I didn't want you guys to have to sit there and watch me cut out each and every one of those little pieces. So right here I'm just showing you how I layered it. The top layer is the print, and the middle layer is the waterproof, and then the under layer is the fleece that I just got done cutting out. And right here I'm just making sure they're all laying nice and flat. These are my boy prints, and I have a set of girl prints and then some solid ones as well. And right here I'm just separating them each out into their piles so I can take them over to the serger and start serging them. Right here I'm showing you guys that I take a large eye needle and I pull my threads through it and tuck them in the seam so that they will not come unraveled when they are washed. And I'm speeding up the process because there are a lot of little 4-inch circles that need to be serged, so you can watch as I serge them and look at all the pretty prints that I'm using. So this is just a closer up view of the large eye needle that I use, and right here I'm just going to take the time and tuck all of the strings that are hanging out into the seam. So you want to do this so that they do not come unraveled after your customer washes them. So after I'm finished tucking all the loose strings in, I take these over to my heat press at 315 degrees. That's what I set it at for most all of my items. And I lay these print side up and I just heat them for between 3 to 5 seconds, just so that they get a nice clean press and they look very professional. After they're all finished heat pressing, I take them over to a flat surface, and this is where I begin my packing process. The first thing I do is use some double-sided tape, and I stick it to the back of the label so it adheres. And these labels that I'm using, I've actually just printed out on my computer. I've made the template, and it's on craft cardstock. I usually only wrap it around the first set of nursing pads, and if they order more than one set, I usually just put the other 2 sets in a clear plastic bag, and then I put this one in the front of the package. And this is the end result on the packaging and how I send it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like these kind of tutorials and short videos, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment below so that I know to put out more content. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day.